In this video, I'll show you how to link two controllers to one user profile on your PS5 Pro. All you have to do is go to Settings. So select the Settings wheel icon in the top right corner and then select Accessibility, and then scroll down and choose Controllers, and then scroll down and select Use Second Controller for Assistance. So select that and then ensure that you enable this option. So enable that option. Now once you have enabled it, all you have to do is grab the second controller and pair it with the PS5 Pro, or if it's already paired, you can simply turn on the controller. Now once you turn on the controller, all you have to do is select that specific account, and now you should see a logo at the top right corner indicating that two controllers have been connected to one account. And you can see the assist controller in use. You can see that other controller that has been connected. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.